Feels like we're in heaven.
Is it heaven? Is it Europe? Is it China?
Welcome to Da Nang, the city of contrast, with bustling nightlife, delicious and cheap food, chaotic traffic, and unpredictable weather, where you feel like you're in Europe or America.
In this video, we'll show you how Da Nang surprised us.
And how it made my lifelong dream come true.
Join us on our 3-day itinerary with tips and tricks for traveling in Da Nang.
After leaving Bali, we continued to our next destination in Southeast Asia.
We landed in Da Nang, Vietnam, and the first place we visited was Ba Na Hills, which cost 950,000 Vietnamese dong to enter.
Ba Na Hills was once a colonial resort on a mountain to escape the heat of the coastal cities, with the French being attracted by the cool climate and scenic views.
However, nowadays, Ba Na Hills has transformed into a major tourist attraction, drawing millions of visitors each year.
To reach Ba Na Hills, we went up the world's longest cable car ride.
The ride is 20 minutes or 5 kilometers.
I had a lifelong dream to see the famous Golden Bridge because I've been fascinated by bridges since I was a kid. So I felt really excited to be able to finally visit it. As we were approaching the bridge, it felt like a dream that finally came true.
The bridge is supported by giant hands and was enshrouded in a mysterious fog when we visited. As you can see though, I wasn't too impressed about the rainy weather.
But despite the weather, we still tried to make the most of it.
If you want to take photos of the bridge without the crowds, we'd suggest that you stay overnight at one of the Ba Na Hills hotels.
That way, you can go there really early or really late to avoid the crowds. After visiting the bridge, we continued exploring Ba Na Hills.
We even found a pianist playing in solitude, surrounded by amazing European-style architecture.
Then it was lunchtime. We went to the luxurious and huge Four Seasons buffet. Just look at all those dishes!
After we filled our stomachs with delicious cuisines from all over the world, we continued exploring the Ba Na Hills.
The map of all the park is huge, and there was so much to visit and explore. We were in a foggy fairy tale.
Walking through Ba Na Hills, it felt more like we were in Europe rather than Vietnam.
Ancient sculptures, castles, and a dome shaped like the Louvre Museum in Paris, but with a circus inside.
It feels like we're in heaven.
I took you to Europe. Then we got on a magical train ride that took us to the Lunar Castle.
We were attracted to cute capybara plushes in the claw machines.
But like always, we failed.
We also saw a church like in a Harry Potter movie.
And after that, we went to a beer factory that offered free beers.
I got so many beers.
There was fun live music.
We danced and enjoyed our beers.
And then we finished off with a ride on the drop tower.
Luckily, our food didn't come back up.
But our next location was something completely different.
It was something magical.
As the sun set, we discovered a Buddhist temple perched atop the highest point of Da Nang, almost 1,500 meters above the ocean.
We had the whole place to ourselves, and oh my god, it was so atmospheric with the mysterious fog encasing the mountain.
We heard legends about the Holy Mother of the Ba Na Hills, whose spirit is said to reside in the temples here.
And that's why people come from far and wide to offer their prayers, seeking her protection and guidance.
As you walk through the temple grounds, it's easy to feel a sense of reverence, as though the whispers of her presence linger in the air.
After the temple, it felt apocalyptic with the empty town in the fog at night.
We got lost and we were in a rush to make the last cable car down.
But even though we were rushing get back down, we took the opportunity to marvel at the fairy tale-like European architecture and enjoy our last glance at this magical place.
We stopped at the bridge one last time and took a few last photos, as it was now empty.
And that was it for this charming place.
One last tip, we recommend that you take warm clothes because it can be cold in the mountains. Day 2 started in the morning with a historical group tour from Klook.
Our driver picked us up and we went to the first temple of the day.
The temple is home to a towering statue of the Goddess of Mercy.
After that, we had a quick stop at the Han market and our driver helped us to cross the chaotic roads and showed us how to bargain.
As we step inside, we're immediately surrounded by the lively energy of local vendors.
We got a pretty turtle as a souvenir.
Then we had to stop at the historical museum, the Da Nang Museum of Cham Sculpture, where our driver explained to us the history of Vietnam and the ancient temples of the Cham.
Then we had our last stop, the temples at Marble Mountain.
We walked up the stairs under extreme rain and explored the cave temple.
Then we finished our tour with a tasty Vietnamese lunch.
After, we went to Da Nang Beach.
And took some epic photos.
The beach is abandoned, however, due to the weather.
We finished our day with a cruise down the Han River with free fruits, free entertainment, and picturesque views of Da Nang.
We saw the Dragon Bridge lit up in orange and buildings with dazzling light displays.
It was a truly magical experience.
On the third day, we visited the miniature world with replicas of landmarks from around the world.
France, America, Egypt, China, it was all there.
And we topped it off with a delicious pho before heading to the airport to board our next flight. Were we surprised by Da Nang?
No! I'm kidding, absolutely yes.
Yes, it's a magical place where we would love to return for sure.
Stay again in the fairy tale of Ba Na Hills.
Eat more pho and other delicious Vietnamese food.
Stay in luxurious hotels for a cheap price.
And definitely go on another river cruise.
And finally see the Dragon Bridge we can show.
I'm looking forward to that for sure.
We hope you liked this video.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Stay tuned for our next video where we visit Hanoi and Ha Long Bay.
But until next time,
Safe travels.